What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Autoscroll in TikTok. Now if for some reason you're ever tired of physically scrolling on the app, there is actually a way for you to be cycling through content without actually touching your screen to swipe. Now let me show you how to do that. So let's open the app and we are going to long press on the middle of the screen. Let's go to Autoscroll. It is now on, so this is going to skip to the next video once this video is done playing. So this truly works if you're the type of person to truly engage with people's content. You're giving them the full watch time that they need. This is a very nice and collaborative way for creators to grow on the platform. Now you see that the video is finishing. Let's scroll to the next content. This is how you will see your content going by once the auto scroll is on. You can always turn this off by clicking the button on the screen and it won't skip to the next video, so you'll have to manually scroll. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.